What's up, homies? We're back and we're about to make some smothered fried chicken with mashed potatoes, honey. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. You know how we do it over here in Homie Lou's kitchen. Keep watching this so you can learn how to make it.
The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yo, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot.
If you don't have any buttermilk, you can add just a little tablespoon of vinegar to a cup of milk. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, and voila,
5 minutes later,
you have buttermilk. The buttermilk is going to serve two purposes in this recipe. First, it's going to break down the protein to allow juices to flow through it when you're frying it. And also, it's going to coat the chicken because you don't have skin on it. If you have crispy chicken without skin on it, it's best to do a double dip, and using buttermilk helps it to stay coated. Chicken breast, when it's very thick, it usually comes out very dry. So I'm pounding it with a kitchen hammer. That's going to help break up the protein with the buttermilk. And then the inside will be so juicy. You have to try it. So now we're going to let this chicken soak in the buttermilk for a little while. And we're going to pull it out little by little, one piece at a time. Put it into a flour mixture. Then we'll put it back into the buttermilk, refrigerate it, take it out, and we'll be able to dip it one more time before frying. Let's watch this again close up. You have your seasoned salt. You have your garlic powder. And then you're going to have your lemon pepper. Lastly, you will add the chili pepper. Mix it all up into the flour mixture. This is what's going to finally coat the chicken. It's going to be so delicious and so crispy on the outside. You will love it. Something interesting about this chicken breast, for example, in the Middle East, they may call it chicken pane or chicken bane if they pronounce the P like a B. And then you may find in Germany, they may call it a chicken schnitzel, a pounded piece of chicken, fried, double coated. They may call it schnitzel in Germany and chicken pane in the Middle East. But as an American, we just call it fried chicken breast. And because we're going to cover it with white gravy, we may also call it smothered chicken breast. You can use the same recipe for other parts of the chicken and follow the same techniques. So after you've refrigerated it for about 20 minutes, we're going to double dip, but this time we're going to sit the chicken to the side. We're not going to put it back in the buttermilk mixture. This allows it to coat very easily. There's little fallout. A lot of times people complain of the breading falling off the chicken while frying. If you refrigerate it right beforehand, it won't fall out. Guys, I'm happy and excited to share a lot of these little techniques. Maybe there's some things that you may not have known beforehand, and I'm happy to share them. Please subscribe so that you can learn a lot more techniques in cooking. Thank you. Now it's time to add your vegetable oil. I highly recommend sunflower oil. That's what I fry all of my chicken and anything that I want to deep fry. I use sunflower oil. So now we're going to take the chicken. You can only fry one at a time because as it was flattened, it became very big and wide and takes up almost every part of the frying pan. One of the things to note about frying chicken, fry it on medium, about 6 minutes on each side. You can flip it about 1 or 2 minutes just to make sure it's cooked evenly. I do not suggest having it on high heat. What will happen in that case is you'll have a chicken that's fried and golden brown on the outside and raw on the inside. So don't try to rush chicken. Make sure you cook it well so to prevent food poisoning. Honey, this chicken is going to be so nice and crispy on the outside, crunchy. Then you're going to see that juice running out. Let me just tell you, honey, it is delicious. Yes, honey, yes. Buttermilk fried chicken, honey. Look at how crispy it looks. Yum, 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 honey. Put it on a paper towel to soak up some of that excess oil. And now let's get ready to make the white sauce. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading new videos. And I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you and peace.